and you can change anything on this page. So let me give you a quick overview here, a quick tour. Okay. So the desktop, as I mentioned before, you can check to see how things look on different browsers and different devices. For the tools, you can upload photos. You can use the photo editor, and you can edit your photos right on here. So you don't have to buy another extension, or you don't have to do editing externally. You can upload your photos here. You can crop, you can blur, you can do before and after. You click it to select the picture to edit. You can edit any photo that you want, right? So you put the photo right there, and you can change the quality. Now the quality has changed because it loads a little faster. So you have a photo that you want to use on your website, you add it there. Well, you can kind of go through here. Look at this. You click here, and all of this is happening on your site. You don't have to. Before, you would have to buy a, like a Photoshop or some type of photo editing software to be able to get this same thing. But what they've done is an excellent job, is they have given you the tools that you need here. So look at this. You can change it into whatever style that you want. You can adjust, the contrast, adjust the brightness, the saturation. You can do before after, but we're not going to worry about that right now. So let's go back here again.